episode of our food vlog series wherein we cover a particular country's food, and this time we are going to have Korean food. So we have come to a place named Kogo which is located in the Hiranandani estate area in Thane, and आज हम लोग बहुत सारे कोरियन चीज़ें खाने वाले हैं, मोस्टली कोरियन स्ट्रीट स्टाइल डिशेस. So let's check out the menu and everything. So this is the second branch of Kogo in Thane. The first one is in Vasant Vihar area and this one is in the Hiranandani estate. We really loved the ambience of this place. The interiors are designed with the colors blue, red, white and black, which are a part of the South Korean flag. So now let's talk about the food. Their menu has both Korean and Japanese dishes, and we obviously ordered the Korean dishes. First up, we ordered their Korean fried chicken, which was for 250 rupees. And this one is the Korean cheese corn dog, which was for 180 rupees. Both these dishes are actually very classic Korean street food ones. These are their most popular Korean snack items that are available at the street markets. This particular corn dog was a double cheese one. It included both cheddar and mozzarella cheese. The corn dog is available in other variants as well, like the chicken sausage corn dog. Even the Korean fried chicken comes in two variants. One is boneless and another one is with chicken wings. We opted for the boneless version. So there were bite-sized pieces of chicken that were crispy fried and then coated with gochujang sauce. Gochujang sauce, which is a very popular Korean masala. So the deep fried chicken pieces were tossed in the gochujang spice and they were garnished with some spring onions. Loved the size of the chicken pieces. They were not too big or not too small. The Korean fried chicken was really delicious. The chicken was cooked perfectly and the exterior of the chicken had a crispy texture. The gochujang sauce had a beautiful blend of sweet and spicy flavors and it was going really well with the crispy chicken. A Korean corn dog is typically a sausage or a cheese stick that's deep fried with some rice batter and then coated with some corn chips or cornmeal. This particular corn dog had a stuffing of cheddar and mozzarella cheese, and the entire corn dog was also drizzled with two kinds of mayonnaise, a spicy and a sweet one. So this yellow colored cheese that you see is the cheddar cheese. Overall texture and taste wise, the corn dog was yummy. On the corn dog coating, you can also have some add-ons like potato cubes or instant noodle crumbs, but for that you'll have to pay rupees 30 extra. Overall, the corn dog was great taste and quantity wise, and we really loved the flavors. Even the coating had some spicy Korean mix over it. Next up, we ordered their vegetarian stuffed tteokbokki, which was for 250 rupees. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. And along with that, we also ordered a Korean sushi called gimbap, which was for 300 rupees. Tteokbokki is another classic Korean dish. It's basically little rice cakes that are sauteed in some spicy Korean sauce. In this case, it was a stuffed tteokbokki. So there were rice paper rolls that were rolled out and stuffed with vegetables. The texture of these rolls or cakes was very soft and it was like almost melting in our mouth. It almost tasted like juicy dumplings and it was absolutely delicious. The stuffing included finely chopped cabbage and some cheese. And the sauce again was gochujang based. These are gimbaps, which you can also call as Korean sushis. This was a teriyaki chicken gimbap and it was served with some soy sauce, wasabi and pickled ginger. This one had the nori seaweed on the outside. Overall, the flavors of the gimbap were simple and we would definitely prefer the normal sushi more than this. Next up, we ordered a vegetarian bulgogi bowl. So this included paneer cubes that were tossed in bulgogi sauce and they were served with some jasmine sticky rice and kimchi. And it was for 300 rupees. Originally, bulgogi is a Korean dish which includes thinly cut pieces or slices of meat. We had opted for the vegetarian version, so it included paneer. The bulgogi sauce had a sweet and spicy taste. The sweetness was coming from the caramelized onions, which were the main ingredient in the sauce. Kimchi is a traditional Korean dish which includes fermented cabbage. It is spicy and sour, and it's usually eaten with other Korean dishes as an accompaniment. The spicy and tangy flavors of the kimchi were nicely complementing the sweet bulgogi sauce. The rice had a beautiful jasmine flavor, but the texture of the rice wasn't sticky. Their menu also included some boba teas and coffees, so we ordered one of it. This one is a small glass of coffee caramel, which was for 220 rupees. Now, originally boba tea or boba coffee is not Korean. It's from Taiwan. But lately, the boba tea or coffee has become very popular in all the Southeast Asian countries. We absolutely loved the flavors of this one. The sweet caramel and the smoky coffee were going really well with each other. And the chewy bobas with the flavors of jaggery were very refreshing. Overall, we can say that you will find some amazing Korean food over here along with great boba. That was it about today's vlog. If you loved this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.